What if every LinkedIn message from an important lead triggered an instant alert so you never miss an opportunity? Hello, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you an automation that monitors LinkedIn notification emails, matches senders against your tracked lead database, and instantly sends categorized alerts when a priority lead reaches out. Step 1. Manual trigger to start LinkedIn alert. Check. This trigger starts the workflow manually when clicked inside n8n. It is useful for testing the alert system or running the process on demand. Step 2. Fetch LinkedIn notification emails from Gmail. This node pulls all emails sent by notifications nor reply at linkedin.com. It collects LinkedIn notification emails from the connected Gmail account. Step 3. Extract clean sender names from email data. This code node reads the from field from each LinkedIn email. It removes the email address and trims text like via LinkedIn. Step 4. Fetch lead database from Google Sheets. This node loads the lead database from the selected Google Sheet. It reads records from the EdTech tab in the spreadsheet. Step 5. Clean and standardize lead names from Sheets. This code node processes the sheet data and extracts the actual lead name. It removes extra lines, ignores values like select, and keeps the associated category. Step 6. Merge Gmail senders and lead database records. This node combines the processed Gmail sender data with the cleaned lead records. It brings both branches into one unified flow. Step 7. Match LinkedIn senders with tracked leads. This code node compares sender names from Gmail with person names from Google Sheets. It normalizes both values by trimming spaces and converting them to lowercase. Step 8. Send categorized LinkedIn alert email. This node sends an alert email when a matched lead is detected. The email includes the lead's name and category. This is how automation helps you respond faster to the conversations that matter. If you value intelligent execution-ready systems, subscribe. I'll see you in the next build.